Hi all, do you have TCS offer letter in your hand and thinking about what is the next process? So this video helpful for you. In this video I will tell about the what is the next process once you receive your offer letter. So without any delay, let's get started. This is Hemlata Naralsetti. You are watching me on WebDay with MEK channel. Currently, I am working as a developer in TCS. Once you receive your offer letter, there will be a pre-learning program which is called as TCS Explore program. In TCS Explore program, there will be some courses will be there. We have to do it on online. Based on these courses, they will conduct one assessment to you, which is called as Ion Proctored assessment. The IPA exam consists of two sections, which are MCQs, and the second section is about coding. The MCQ section is for 50 marks. So in that there will be PLSQL concepts and business skills and Unix, and they will ask on user interface. So this is about the MCQ section, and the second section is coding. TCS allows you to write code in two different languages only. Those are Java and Python. So you can choose your comfortable language and code in that. So the coding section is for 50 marks. The overall IPA score is for 100. If your IPA score is 80 plus, then you will get a 60,000 of incentives. And if your score is from 55 to 80, you will get 40,000 of incentives. And if your score is less than 55, don't worry guys, there will be a multiple chances until you are joining, so you can clear at any point of time. After completion of the IPA exam, they will send you a joining letter to your mail IDs. Before you are joining, there will be a maximum of 20 days will be there. So in those days we have to upload our documents like service agreement, non-criminal affidavit, medical certificate. So these documents we have to upload in Next Step portal. Once they got approved, our joining process is begin. In joining process, first they will conduct training to us. Here they will divide candidates into two different categories, which are BG and XP. In BG category, the people whose IPS score is 80 plus will comes under BG category. For those people, the training is for 1 week, and if your score is less than 80, then you will comes under XP batch. For those people, the training is for 3 weeks. So after successful completion of your training, they will assign project to you. So based on business requirement, they will assign project to you. I think you get a clear idea what is the next process once you receive your TCS offer letter. If you have any doubts other than this, please comment below. We will clarify your doubts. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.